don't want to. It goes to the big line.
Show me the big line.
The longest one.
All right.
With you.
Perfect. Oh, that's a good idea. Faster.
So.
All right, what's the next step?
We need water.
Oh, Jaden, how far up should the water go?
Under a bottle.
Where? Show me where the water should go to.
Right here.
Yeah, but look at the bottle, Jaden. Which line should the water go to?
Right here.
Oh, who's gonna put the water in?
Me.
Jaden, where are you gonna get the water from?
It's right here.
No, that's lemonade. Where can you get water at this school?
I know.
Where do you get drinks of water, Jaden? Jaden, look over here. Where do you have water?
Because it's at home.
Yeah, there is water at home. Alan, do you know where there's water at school? Where?
The water fountain.
Anywhere else?
From recess?
What do you mean from recess?
Like the puddle.
Yeah, we're gonna go outside and put a puddle in there?
What?
No. So where are you gonna fill the rain gauge with water? Okay, let's go. Nope, you are doing it.
What?
Layla, you did the rocks. Hand it over, please.
Let's go. Okay. Yeah. I just want to say again. Not sure. Let me hold it. We feel like water.
What did you fill?
Rocks.
What's it called, Jaden? What's it called?
Rain gauge.
Rain gauge.
Ooh.